guys, I just wanted to go over some of the features at Room Creator. So Room Creator, again, is a product of Key Understanding, which if you're following us from the lunch table, just full disclosure, Key Understanding is the official host of the lunch table. But to get to Room Creator, you just go to roomcreator.keyunderstanding.com. It is a web-based application to help you set up your breakout rooms, and it makes it just a little bit easier to manipulate those rooms and to even set up people like you would a seating chart. So once you're on Room Creator, just a really fast about, click on the three dotted lines at the very top. You can add new sections or new groups. For example, you need reading groups, or you need, altos, sopranos, and so on. In a particular group, there's all different kinds of different class periods and different groups. That's completely up to you. So just click on the plus and then add a new section. Once you're in the new section, so here I am, I'm in my room on Room Creator. You just need to go to add students. So I've already added some students. To add students, you're going to make sure that the email address that you use is the same email that they will be using to access Zoom. And that's true for any Zoom breakout rooms. If you're ever going to pre-assign breakout rooms on Zoom, you do need to use that email address. So I'm just going to write in somebody's name. And then so I'm adding a student. You can add multiple students at the same time. So if you wanted to use a Google form, for instance, and catch their name and their email address, again, depending on the age of your students, that might be easier for you. So everybody gets populated on the left side. So then to make sure that you're adding them to whatever group that you want, you just drag and drop. So if you look at my group with Mary and Aaron, so here they are, I can see that Frank has been added to that group. If I wanted Frank, if I decided that Frank's not working out so well in that group and I'd like him to work with Jen and Martha over here, I can just drag and drop and he'll be added to Jen and Martha's group. So it's a really nice visual way to add students to groups that you'll be using in your Zoom breakout rooms. After you're finished doing this, there's two things that I want to point out. The first thing is make sure that you do export these groups to a file. That's the file that you'll use in case that you come here and it hasn't saved because, again, it's not completely living on the web. So you do need to repopulate Room Creator from time to time. Those of you who've used that spinning application, you're familiar with that as well, the one that's a name selector. So again, this is to save all of your names. But the other big thing that you do need to do is go over here to export to Zoom CSV. So this is actually your groups. You'll see your name of your group. So it's New Room Zoom that I have right here. On Zoom, to create your breakout rooms, there's a couple of things that you need to know. Go to In Meeting Advanced. This is an important option. So to get here, you just go to your settings on the left side and click on breakout rooms, and then make sure that you allow the host to assign participants to breakout rooms when scheduling. That way everybody is nice and scheduled in to their rooms before you start the meeting. So when you start a meeting, just go to schedule a meeting. You're going to fill in all this information that's right here. Down at the bottom, it'll say breakout rooms. Oops, sorry, my computer is lagging a little bit. It'll say breakout room pre-assign. So click there. And then import from CSV. So I'm going to go on my computer, find the file that I just downloaded. And then click here. And you can see right now I have all of my groups that are already added. They're going to be pre-assigned. And I can switch students in and out of rooms, in and out of the main room and then into their breakout rooms as needed. So again, that's how to use Room Creator. So I would save here. So again, roomcreator.keyunderstanding.com in order to create those breakout rooms and to save lists of students for breakout rooms as needed. Hopefully that's helpful, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.